Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make the ultimate nachos. Who doesn't love nachos? They're absolutely delicious and perfect for feeding a crowd, or you can even make individual portions. Today we're going to be using ground beef for our meat because that's the most traditional, but you could also replace that with shredded beef, leftover carnitas meat, or even chicken. To start, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef. You want to break that up and get it cooking. It'll take somewhere between 8 and 10 minutes for the meat to cook through fully. Once the meat is cooked, you'll want to drain off any excess grease. Next, you'll add in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and you can see I'm using a homemade blend, and that is in the written recipe. We're going to give that a stir and let this cook for 60 to 90 seconds. Then we'll pour in a 1/4 cup of water and add in a 15-ounce can of refried beans, if we can get this out of the can and into the skillet. Then we'll break this up, kind of reduce the heat a little bit to low, and keep on stirring until the beans and meat are fully combined. Then this should be able to stay warm while you get the rest of your nacho ingredients ready. For a full family-sized batch, you'll need to shred 4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, or you can use a nacho cheese sauce, and I have another video for that, or you can look it up on my website. You'll also want to prepare all of your toppings. Popular options include sour cream, guacamole or diced avocado, salsa, freshly chopped cilantro, sliced black olives, sliced or pickled jalapenos, diced red onion, or sliced green onion. And of course, you'll need some tortilla chips. A baking sheet is great for family-sized servings, or you can use an oven-safe skillet for smaller servings, or really you can use any oven-safe dish like a 9x13 pan, a 9x9 pan, a pie plate. Whatever you have will work. You want to spread your tortilla chips out onto your baking sheet. Then you'll want to sprinkle on about 2 cups of the shredded cheddar cheese. Then you'll want to scoop on little spoonfuls of the bean and meat mixture all over to dot the top of the cheese and chips. Then you'll top that with the remainder of your cheese. Then you're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is fully melted. Now, if you want to make nachos with nacho cheese sauce instead of shredded cheese, what you'd want to do is toast your chips at 350 degrees for 5 minutes to heat them up, then dot with the beef and bean mixture, then drizzle on your nacho cheese sauce. Once the cheese is fully melted, you'll want to remove it from the oven and top with desired toppings. And then you, my friends, are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.